Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing um, I'm not going to say unboxing, I'm going to be doing a reveal. So if you're wondering what kind of bag it is, you're going to have to stay tuned. But first of all, I want to welcome all my old subscribers. Thank you for hanging in there for me. And for if you've just tuned into this channel, it's your first time, welcome. This channel is about luxury, although since the pandemic we haven't really been spending a lot of money. Well, I haven't. I mean, we've been all in lockdown and I'm kind of re-evaluating the kind of purchases I make. But still, I want to bring content to you and I want to bring quality content to you. So what I've decided to do today is do a Hermes haul. Or is it? Well, you just have to stay tuned. So the pandemic has made me and probably many of us out there re-evaluate how we spend our money. I mean, some people are still spending as before, and that's fine. You know, everybody has the right to spend the money on what they feel is appropriate to them. But since we're not going out, and since this thing has happened, it's made me re-evaluate stuff and what how I spend my money. Um, today's reveal is going to be about something that you would never ever believe is possible to purchase outside Hermes. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to show you the purchase I'm talking about. So this is actually a bag and I'm going to show you the bag I'm talking about. So this is the bag I'm talking about. It's green and it reminds me of a Hermes Picton bag. So it isn't actually a Hermes Picton bag, so let's just get that clear first of all. But the quality on this bag is absolutely second to none. So I actually bought this bag in TK Maxx and I was shocked. When I looked at it, I was actually totally shocked. I was thinking, this bag reminds me of a Hermes bag, but which bag was it? And I've seen so many of their bags, but I wasn't sure which one it is. So I'm going to give you a closer look first of all. So those are the handles, green and orange, threaded in there. It doesn't have a um, padlock like the Hermes bags do, but it has like a that kind of closure. So, but you have to look for. But once you find it, it clips closed like that. I haven't actually even used it, so I don't believe it's leather because of the price. So I'm just going to show you what it's like inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And the inside looks like a kind of feltish material. I don't know whether you can see that. Felt kind of material. I don't think it's leather. So I'll just get that straight out of the way. It's got a pocket. So it's got one pocket here. Just there. That's the pocket there. Probably can't see it. So yeah, that's the pocket there. And it's just one big hole. So as I said, I haven't actually used it. I bought it like, gosh, I'll look at the receipt and tell you when I bought it. So that's it there. Now at the bottom it's got, see what it's got written at the bottom, it's got Ted Red Cuckoo. So that's the brand of the bag. It's got Red Cuckoo written at the bottom there. You probably can't see that, but that brown texture there It's got Red Cuckoo. So I just wanted to try and give you a better view. So I don't know if you can see that brown lining at the bottom. See if I can get it clear. It's really difficult to show you. So what I've done is I've rolled the bag down so you can see there. And what it actually says is Red Cuckoo. But you probably won't be able to see that. I'm using my mobile phone, unfortunately. So I won't be able to show you exactly what it says, but that's what it's what's at the bottom of it. And this is a kind of feltish kind of material on the inside. And as I said, that's the pockets. So yeah, that's the quick reveal of the bag. So that's the name there, as you can see. It says Red Cuckoo London. And that's the label. Red Cuckoo London. And the price. So compared to the original prices of Hermes bags, this bag cost me $24.99. So that's why I know that it's not leather, because of the price. But I mean, Picton bag, and if someone didn't tell you it was a Picton bag, you would think it was. I mean, look at the quality of that bag. It's very well made. The stitching is very, very well. I mean, look at the quality of the stitching. It's very well put together. For a bag of $24.99, look at the handles. And yeah. So I haven't actually used it. I'm not sure how it's going to wear and tear. I'm working from home, so it's very difficult to, and that's the feet at the bottom. It's very difficult to say when I'm going to use this bag, but I just wanted to show you that there are alternatives to designer bags out there. You just have to look for them. I just happened to come across this at TK Maxx, and unfortunately I have one local to me here and that I can always pop into, so that's the advantage of living not too far from a TK Maxx. So I bought this bag, I believe, let me tell you when. So just so that that's the receipt. I bought some other stuff with it, and I actually bought it on the 8th of October. So just to show you the bag from the front, side, behind, and the feet at the bottom, and that's the overview of the bag. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the bag, I don't know whether you're still going to get it. As I said, I bought it on the 8th of October, so it's coming to over a month, probably nearly 2 months. You might be lucky to get it. If you live in the US, you might still get it, because I know that we seem to have the same stuff from TJ Maxx in America to TK Maxx over here. So yeah, any comments, questions, put them in the comments box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, as I said, put them in the comments box below, and support my channel by pressing that red button and subscribing to my channel if you like what you see, and look at my other videos. Anyway, my name is Mimi, and I just want to thank you so much for watching this video if you've got to the end, and join the Mimettes, you know, join the Fashion Lounge. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.